Came in after jumping up. LeBron is in and goes.
Magandang araw sa inyo mga noise. Welcome to our Lakers episode again. So, konting update lang tayo, just a quick update bago magkaroon ng free agency sa NBA, okay? So, balikan lang natin yung mga nangyari kanina, okay? So, as per Athletics, Jovan Buha, Klay Thompson to Los Angeles Lakers is gaining momentum and have a mutual interest, okay? So, he added also that James Harden is unlikely candidate for Lakers non-taxpayer mid-level exemption. So magkano exemption na yun ng Lakers? It's worth $12.9 million. Okay? So tulad nga na mga lumabas na news kanina regarding sa Dallas Mavericks is also a candidate for Klay Thompson. Yun nga lang talaga, mas mayroong momentum lang ngayon ang Los Angeles Lakers to sign Klay Thompson using their non-tax MLE because of the presence of former players ng Lakers tsaka current member ng Los Angeles Lakers. Okay? So, they recruiting Klay Thompson right now. At ang number one recruiter niya nga dyan yung kanyang tatay. Okay? Na si Michael Thompson na colored commentator ng Los Angeles Lakers sa ngayon. Okay? So, si Klay Thompson kasi is talagang fan ng Lakers before pa man. Nung bata pa siya. So, maybe saka hometown din niya yan eh. So maybe may malaking chance talaga na ma-sign ng na mapapirma ng Los Angeles Lakers si Klay Thompson. Salary dump trade candidate for Lakers si Jackson Hayes, Christian Wood, Cam Reddish, and Jalen Hood-Schifino. So yun yung mga players na maaaring ma-trade before mag-start ng season or training camp. Okay, so yung apat kasi na to, they looking to release some from these players para makapag-sign ng free agent pa na for veterans minimum contract na magiging mas magandang rotation player nila. So tapos si Max Christie pina-prioritize din ngayon ng front office ng Los Angeles Lakers na ma-sign for an extension. So hinihintay pa ngayon ng Los Angeles Lakers yung July 1 para mapagpapirma sila ng free agent. So after siguro nun, yung own free agent nila yung magiging priority nila sa free agency. So sa ngayon talaga is ang priority nila is makapag-sign outside from their team. So yun na nga, pumapasok na nga dyan sila Klay Thompson, sila Jonas Valanciunas, sila Miles Bridges, sila DeMar DeRozan. Let's see kung makakapag-sign ba ang Los Angeles Lakers ng magandang free agent ngayong off-season o the same pa rin yung kanila magiging lineup sa pagpasok ng bagong NBA season sa October.
That's just being persistent, not giving up because you